Are you thinking about making a move to Roseburg? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you around all of Roseburg and show you exactly what it's like to live and play here. Today it's a Saturday afternoon. It's beautiful outside. Well, take a look at this. It's beautiful. I can't wait to show you what this town's got to offer. There's some cool spots. So stick around till the end where I'm going to show you a couple neat little neighborhoods and one of my personal favorites. So stay tuned to that and let's get on with the video. Hey everybody, so I'm here in my office in downtown Roseburg and I'm going to take you on a little tour of downtown Roseburg and what it's got to offer. So we're in for a treat, so let's check it out. All right. This is the back way into my office. We're going to walk out and there's going to be a nice little coffee shop. Coffee shop right behind me. Pretty neat place here. So we're on the corner of Jackson and Oak. And here's Oregon Life Homes. Roseburg was established in 1850. This was pretty much the hub downtown. This is a very historic area. All locally owned shops here, downtown area. This is the business district. Locally owned restaurants, art shop, clothing boutiques. So pretty neat area. Historic Sunnyside Theater. Unfortunately, that shut down. It was a really cool spot.
What the hell is that?
It's a little camera.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. So you can see just friendly people just walking up and down the road here. Not sure if this shop is open. Let's check it out here. That shop is pretty cool. They've got a lot of handmade wood. They make like hand-carved live edge tables, which are just absolutely amazing. Local startup businesses right on that corner there. Little kid clothing store. Here we've got Rick's Restaurant. That is an awesome place for brunch and good dinners. You can see we got a farmhouse decor shop right here. It's pretty interesting. They've got a lot of antiques in there. Yeah, across the street here. I'm not quite sure what they're honking at. Right down here, we've got North 40 Brewery, which is just an awesome place for lunch. They've got great beers on tap. They do their own brewing right in here. And then across the street, head back over the other way. So this is downtown Roseburg. Downtown Roseburg, where all these locally owned businesses, there are some shut down spots that are right here. Businesses that have moved out of the area. There's a lot of vacancies, but just right down the road behind me, about 4 blocks down, is the county courthouse, which is the county seat right here in Douglas County. And if you're ever looking for me, I'm very seldom in the office. That's where my office is located. Now I'm going to take you on to Stewart Park, which is just right over on the other side of town. Not going to want to miss it. So stick around. All right, so here we are, Stewart Park. Stewart Park consists of 300 acres in the center of town. It has disc golf. Some guys playing right there. Really big disc golf course. Veterans Hospital is right behind me. But this is a trail that walks all around the park, a couple miles around. So Stewart Park has a lot of community activities. Every summer they have Music in the Half Shell, which is weekly local concerts. Getting taken over by the bicycles. So it's got weekly concerts, free to the public. They also have movies in the park, so they put up a big screen and free movies for families to enjoy. So a good community event. The river sits right there, right past those trees. So Stewart Park also has an amateur baseball club, the YMCA, tennis courts, tennis club. A lot of activities here. All right, let's go on to our next stop. Another stop in Stewart Park right behind me, and we're going to switch that around here in a second. But right behind me, that's where Music in the Park is in the summer times. That's where they have movie night. Right on the river, if you can see the river right behind it. What a cool spot. This park completely packs out. It is absolutely amazing. What a beautiful Saturday afternoon. We got families out here playing. There's a huge family gathering underneath the pavilion. Stewart Park is one of the gems of the city of Roseburg. It just offers so many good community outdoor events. People are friendly here. If you are looking to move to Roseburg, then you're not going to want to miss this park. And if you are thinking about moving to Roseburg, give me a call, text, email. All my contact information is in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. If you got any questions about living in Roseburg, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. I may even do a video on it. All right, we are at Roseburg's Farmers Market. Here on Saturdays every week, every Saturday, year round. This place has got everything. Fresh produce, local arts and crafts, local coffees. Lots of arts and crafts, fresh baked goods. That's pretty cool. Fresh peanut butter, fresh baked goods. Those look amazing. Look absolutely amazing. It's making me hungry. From extract, grass-fed beef. Look at those green onions. Oh. Fresh baked croissants. Fresh popcorn. Oh, this smells good. You guys can smell this produce. And the fresh cider is absolutely amazing. So there is Roseburg Farmers Market right off of Harvard, just right downtown across from Stewart Park. All right, so we are in front of Roseburg High School. It's got about 1,600 students between grades 9 through 12. Puts it at about a student-teacher ratio of about 20 to 1. Really good school. All right, so we are in Hucrest Neighborhood. Hucrest spans between Garden Valley on the north, Harvard on the south, Stewart Parkway to the east. These homes, this is one of the largest neighborhoods in Roseburg. Wide variety of homes. Median sales price is about $430, with the lowest currently active home on the market is about $325. And then there's a couple in the $1 million range. Some of these have really nice views of the valley. And then as you go a little bit lower, home prices start going down a little bit. The street I'm on right now has some newer built homes, and they are spectacular. They all have great views, great neighborhood. So this neighborhood is really good for first-time home buyers, people looking to downsize, people looking to upsize. It's a huge variety of homes, and it's a highly sought-after neighborhood. Currently, there are about 13 active on the market. If this is a neighborhood you would be interested in, give me a call, text, email. All my contact is in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. And with that, let's get on with our next stop. All right, so I am outside of Melrose Vineyards. This winery is amazing. If you guys are looking to go out on a nice Saturday afternoon, taste some wines, Roseburg area has about 30 vineyards, and they are nationally and internationally known. When I was in Europe, I had people say, "Where are you from?" Told them, and they were like, "Oh, you guys got the best wine in Oregon." So, not sure about that. I am not much of a wine drinker, but if you give me a glass, I'm gonna have it. This is just one winery that is here in the Roseburg area. It's just right outside of town, and it's in the Melrose Neighborhood area. So this is great. So they host a lot of events here. A friend of mine got married here, so it's great. It's a great location. It's the easiest winery to get to, so it's great. All right, we are just right outside of Roseburg, in town, so just right off of downtown. This is a really quiet neighborhood, super nice, but you guys are in for a treat. I am going to take you into this cool house and show you what $380,000 will get you. So this house is awesome, quiet neighborhood, very low maintenance on the front yard. So pretty awesome house. So let's take a look here. All right, we got Shay.
Hi.
And Heidi.
Welcome.
So this house is awesome. Nice open kitchen. Check out this living room. To the first bedroom. It's got a walk-in closet and its own separate entrance into the main bath. And we've got the main bath. Second bedroom. Master bedroom and the master bath with its walk-in closet and step through shower. Attached garage, two-car garage. Now, you guys are definitely going to want to see this backyard. This backyard is awesome. Cool shaded porch. There goes Heidi. Beautifully landscaped. So if you guys are thinking about moving to Roseburg, you're going to want to check out houses like this. Under 400,000. I mean, this house is 380. Perfect location, perfect neighborhood. It's quiet. Eastwood Elementary is 2 blocks away. In fact, that's where I parked to get here. Let me know if you guys are interested. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye. So this is my favorite neighborhood in Roseburg. The reason why is all the homes are historic, somewhat historic homes, very old neighborhood. So each house has its own characteristic. Unfortunately, there's not a lot on the market. I think currently there's 1 on the market in here. I looked back and I think there was 12 sold in the last year. You take a look. What a cool little neighborhood. It is conveniently located right outside of downtown, so you can be on the freeway in like 2 minutes. Really close to the high school. All these houses are very unique. The median sales price for the homes that have been sold last year were mid to high 4s. Some of them range pretty high, and it all just depends on each individual house, just because they're all so unique. My personal favorite, and if you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. So feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, and let's get on with our tour. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you got a lot of good information out of it. And if you are thinking about making a move to Roseburg, give me a call, text, email. All my contact is in the description below. I'd love to hear from you, and stay tuned for the next video.